Hello friends! Love school? Hit subscribe to learn 30 easy words for your school day with Level Up English. Let's start your day now.
Ready for school? Let's go there.
School, a place to learn. Example, I go to school every day.
Bus, a big car for many people. Example, I ride the bus to school.
Bag, a thing to carry books. Example, my bag is heavy.
Friend, a person you like at school. Example, my friend is nice.
Morning, the time before noon. Example, school starts in the morning. We're at school. Now into the classroom.
Teacher, a person who helps you learn. Example, my teacher is kind.
Book, a thing you read. Example, I read a book in class.
Pen, a thing you write with. Example, I use a pen to write.
Desk, a table you sit at. Example, my desk is big.
Board, a thing the teacher writes on. Example, the board is white. Class is fun. Time for a break now.
Lunch, food you eat at noon. Example, I eat lunch at school.
Water, a drink with no taste. Example, I drink water at break.
Play, doing something fun. Example, I play with friends.
Talk, speaking with someone. Example, I talk to my friend.
Rest, stopping to relax. Example, I rest after lunch. Break is over. Let's learn more.
Read, looking at words in a book. Example, she reads a story in class.
Write, making words with a pen. Example, I write my name.
Listen, hearing the teacher. Example, I listen to my teacher.
Learn, getting new things to know. Example, I learn English at school.
Ask, saying a question. Example, I ask my teacher. School is done. Time to go home.
Home, the place you live. Example, I go home after school.
Walk, moving with your legs. Example, I walk home with friends.
Homework, work you do at home. Example, I do homework at night.
Sleep, resting at night. Example, I sleep after homework.
Night, the time after the sun goes down. Example, school ends at night. Last stop, school things you use.
Paper, a thing you write on. Example, I write on paper.
Pencil, a thing you write with. Example, I use a pencil in class.
Eraser, a thing to fix mistakes. Example, my eraser is small. Ruler, a thing to draw lines. Example, I use a ruler for math. Clock, a thing to tell time. Example, the clock is on the wall.
Wow! 30 words for your school day. Like this video and share it with friends. Subscribe to Level Up English for more fun lessons. See you soon!